Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in Gatewala platform. As you guys know, Gate 27 official website is released for all of you, and different students are now waiting for the application form filling, and they want to choose the best two paper combination. So definitely guys, throughout the year we analyzed lots of the placement data, lots of the information and all. So in today's particular video we are going to discuss about which two paper combinations are available and provided by the IIT Madras, and out of these options, which two best combinations work for you. So definitely if we observe these particular slides, then you can observe the two test paper combination tentative, and that is like depending on schedule and all, they can also change it later. That happen in the past, so that is also a possibility. If we talk about guys, you can check for aerospace engineer. If you are choosing the first paper as a aerospace engineering, then second paper is civil mechanical or XC you can choose. So for an example, if you belong to the mechanical background, and if you are like attempting the aerospace, then you can choose the aerospace and mechanical. Okay, mechanical aerospace, lots of students want to choose. If you belong to aerospace and you want to attempt the paper, one more paper, then XC definitely is having a late syllabus, you can prefer it, and then you can also prefer the mechanical or civil. If we talk about guys next, then like here also you can observe the CS. Definitely the CS, the best combination is DA, and the second best combination is RA. Here you can check for CS, the first combination is DA and second best combination is RA, because lots of the IITs are providing you different type of like details about it. Like you can check like IIT Guwahati website, they are providing course in robotics and artificial intelligence. So the integrated courses demand is currently too high, so you can explore it. Similarly, if you talk about the DA branch, then DA branch also you can choose DA as a first paper, second paper as a CS, or you can explore the RA, because RA is also one of the best choice available for you. Robotics and automation, it's a newly added paper this year, so you can explore it a lot. Okay, if we talk about electrical, then electrical, the first paper choice is like you can prefer EC or IN, and maximum students go on that particular direction. But if you go if you want to go for easier side and you want to pursue your career in the emerging field and want to grab the big placement, then RA is also the one of the best choice available for you. Same for like the other branches, you can check IN, you can prefer EC electrical branch, that is the combination good for you. Mechanical, you can prefer mechanical or XC, or mechanical or RA. These two combinations is definitely good for you for your career. And similarly you can check for other branches. RA, if you are choosing as a first paper, out of this you can choose any branch. Okay, all thing work. XC also you can choose XC or like mechanical, that is also good branch for you, or XC or aerospace, or XC or civil. XC you can export. Same for chemical branch, you can observe chemical branch. If you are choosing as a first, then you can prefer environmental science or XC. So definitely guys, these particular branches are demanding, courses are also available for preparation, and future scope is also good. So accordingly you can choose which two paper combinations you are going to choose in your GATE 27 exam. Comment in this particular video, so definitely lots of the other student will also observe, and like through the observation we are also able to find out which two branch are very good for you, so you can explore it. Rest I will suggest you guys, you can join Kuldeep sir underscore PW telegram channel for your every career related guidance and all. Soon we will conduct the examinations, form filling guidance and all through the toppers last year students who filled the form. Complete guidance we are going to provide. So for that you can join Kuldeep sir underscore PW telegram channel and stay connected for such type of update. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.